In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced Level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Service Commission 2020 MCQs, that is a norm space X is finite dimensional if and only if X is solution. First theorem, that is a norm space X is finite dimensional if and only if the closed unit ball in X is compact. Second theorem, that is a norm space is finite dimensional if and only if its dual space is finite dimensional. Third theorem, that is a norm space is local compact if and only if it is finite dimensional. So option C is correct, that is locally connected. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.